In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Expedia. If you're looking for a more flexible way to pay for your travel, using Afterpay with Expedia can make your booking much easier to manage. Instead of paying everything up front, you can split the cost into smaller, more manageable installments. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process so you can complete your booking smoothly and confidently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Afterpay website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account. While you can log in later during checkout, doing it at the start helps streamline the process and ensures everything is ready when you're about to pay. After logging in, direct your attention to the search bar, usually located at the top of the page. Click on it and type in Expedia. This allows you to access Expedia through Afterpay's platform, which ensures that the payment option will be available when you reach the checkout stage. From the results, select Expedia to continue. You'll now be redirected to the Expedia booking page. Start by entering your destination in the field provided. This could be a city, region, or a specific location you have in mind. Next, select your check-in date by clicking on the calendar and choosing when your stay will begin. Then set your checkout date to define how long you'll be staying. Make sure these dates match your travel plans, as they will affect availability and pricing. Once your details are set, click the search button. Give the page a moment to load, and you'll be presented with a list of available hotels that match your preferences. Take your time browsing through the options until you find a hotel that suits your needs. When you've made your choice, click on the listing to view more details. Scroll down to the section where room options are displayed. Here you'll see different room types along with their prices. Select the one that works best for you, then click the Reserve button to proceed. You'll be asked to provide your personal details for the booking. Fill in the required information carefully to ensure your reservation is processed correctly. After that, move to the payment section and make sure Afterpay is selected as your payment method. Finally, confirm your booking by clicking the payment button. Your total cost will be divided into 4 equal installments, making it easier to manage your travel expenses. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.